This is by the elevator shaft. A couple inches still here, Sunday, day after storm. Stock room, full of water. Ruined boxes and merchandise. Looks like a war zone down here. Trying to salvage what I can. As you see, I'm walking through water. Some of it has receded, but you can see where the level was. Look at this box. At least 5 inches in there. That's all my new merchandise and my new shelving. All ruined. Just look at the water laying here. It's a horror story. Trying to salvage what I can. Alright. Can't even get back to my other Christmas stuff. God knows what's back there. There's more back here. Coffee cups. They should be able to be put in the dishwasher. Hopefully. And as you can see, it's still laying back there.